AI-generated art, mind-blowing creativity, or the end of human artists. AI image generators like DALL-E and Stable Diffusion are shaking up the art world, turning text prompts into stunning visuals. But here's the kicker. These AI masterpieces are built on human labor. From the folks labeling millions of images to the engineers refining the algorithms, we're all in the mix. Now, some people are throwing confetti, celebrating the new creative playground. Others, they're a bit more doom and gloom, worried about copyright issues and deepfakes. So, is it art if a machine makes it? Or just a really fancy copycat? AI art is getting so good it's blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. It's like trying to tell the difference between a chef's special and a microwave meal. And that, my friends, is where it gets interesting. So next time you see an AI-generated image, remember there's a little bit of humanity hidden in that digital masterpiece. Crazy, right?